Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through a tutorial of Calliope, an online MIDI environment for computer-assisted composition. Calliope uses a GP2-based model called MMM. Upon logging into your account, you find a default session called Demo Session. This is an in-app onboarding step that will walk you through more or less what we're doing right now. For now, I'm just going to flag it here to not show. The demo default session comes with a list of MIDI files that we will use. The objective of this study is for you to compose a 4-track, 8-bar long piece of music. As such, you have to pick one of these MIDI files, which contains a single drum line, and extend it by 3 other tracks of 8 bars each. So for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to pick the disco one. Let's listen to what we have. Okay, I'm going to generate one new track here, and I'm going to pick a bass for my song. And I'm just going to go with generate here. You can see starting the generation. And our generation is completed. Any new generation will be shown here at the top of the list. So if I click on here, I can see now my bass line, and we can listen to what it sounds. Okay, this is quite interesting. I like this a lot. So we can just build on top of that. So let me pick a piano line as well. And this time I'm going to start using the track specific parameters we have here, which allows me to control a bit more the generation. For example, I want to create some kind of chord based content. So I'm going to have a low density of notes. I'm going to have high polyphony. We can say up to from 3 to 5, and I'm going to leave the note length as is, and I can generate again and see what I get. Now the generation is completed. I have a new file here, which each batch of generation is identified with a 4-digit here at the start. So we can listen to what this sounds like. So that's interesting. I don't quite like the 2 bars here at the middle, so I can click on those individually and select them, and I can ask the system to give me something else. In fact, I can ask it to give me 3 other variations of these modifications that I'm asking. So we can just do this. So now we can see that I have 3 new generations, which are identified by the same batch number at the start, and then an individual number 0, 1, 2 for each of them. So I can just click through them and see what I have. I kind of want to stick with the first one, and so based on that, what I can then do next is add our last track, which is going to be I want some melodic line, so I'm going to go with a synth lead, and for this one I'm going to reduce the polyphony, and I'm going to have a higher density content for something more dynamic to my song. And so whenever I want to generate, the model is really using information from all the other tracks to decide what to create here, right? It's something to remember. So I'm going to click on generate here. And while the model is generating, you have this animation that lets you know that it's still working on it. Okay, now it's completed and we can listen to so this will be my final piece. At this point, you can kind of stop as you have completed successfully the study. However, you can always continue to play with it. And from here, you can simply export, download from this button or this one, the track, and upload it following the instructions provided in the study. Thank you and have fun.